Hey guys, it's Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? Today I have a tutorial for you guys on the look that I'm wearing today. It's super bronzy, a little glowy, and I'm just loving this look. This is the look that I've been wearing like almost all summer. It's my go-to look, especially for the eye area. It's just easy, beautiful. Yeah, I feel like what really made this look is also the freckles. I didn't show you guys how I did that in this video because I do have a separate video on how I did that. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll put it in the description box as well as in the iCard. So make sure to check that out. But no further ado, is that even how you say it? Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup. It is a talk through video, so let's just get into it. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Prime and Peachy primer. This primer is kind of like thickish. You will see here. This is what it looks like. It's a little thick, but it smells really good and it really goes nice into the skin. For foundation, I want to do something more high coverage, so I'm going to be using the Too Faced Tarte Double Duty Foundation. This is in the shade Light Neutral. Now, I remember when I bought this foundation, I really wanted to go ahead and do like a review about it, but I never got to it. So, story of my life. And I really like it, and I think what I really like about it too is the fact that it has like this wand to just kind of apply it with, which is really nice. But overall, I think it's a decent foundation. I mean, there's just so many foundations out there right now, and I'm just going to be using my Damp Beauty blender to blend everything out. It's been so long since I've done like a talk through like video. This is so weird to me. For concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC20. Now this one has a pump, and so I just use my fingers to go ahead and apply this underneath my eyes. And I'm also going to put some underneath my chin, my nose, and also my forehead. I need to grab a little bit more. Okay, so my beauty blender fell, so let me go wash it. We're back. I went ahead and cleaned it. Oh shoot. I hope I can blend this out. I forgot that the Pro Longwear like dries really fast, so you have to like kind of blend it in right away. But that's what happens when you're freaking clumsy. Oh my god, it's not blending. You see, you learn from mistakes. Never put Pro Longwear if you're not going to blend it right away. I went ahead and I did the freckles off of camera because I was really wanting to do that for this look. I did it off of camera because I do have a separate video on how to do them. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to put it in the description box and also in the iCard. But let's move on with this look. I'm going to set my face down, and underneath the eyes, I'm going to be using this Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Lace. And then I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. Loose Powder in Brightening, basically. This is just like a pinkish, whitish kind of thing. Now I'm just going to use my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this into the skin. And I'm going to use this to put anywhere that I highlighted. So underneath the eyes, on the chin, nose, forehead. And then for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use the Lace from Revolution. While this bakes, I'm going to do my eyes. And for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Laura Lee palette. This one I'm using because the colors are just so cute. It's just my kind of vibes, but I'm going to focus mostly on this area here with the browns because this is a bronzy look. So with my Morphe M511 brush, which is a fluffy brush like this, I'm going to be grabbing the color, let's see, Streaking, which is this one right here, that one. This is the color we're going to be using, Streaking, which is a very like beigey brown, and that's going to work as our base. So I'm just going to apply this on the upper part of the crease, going back and forth. And this doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be bronzy. It can go all over and it's fine. Especially because it's such a light color, so it's really hard to mess this color up. Now with my Morphe M433 brush, which looks like this, I'm going to be grabbing the color Reveal from the palette, which is this brown right here. It's a little bit deeper. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I was recording when I was doing my eyes right now, but I was using the color Reveal from the palette, and I am applying this on my crease and all over my lid. Oh my god, I honestly don't know if I was recording or not. This sucks. But anyways, all over the lid and on the crease. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're using all like browny colors. So it's going to be nice and smoky and just bronzy. So don't worry about precise when it comes to particularly this look. And you can stop with the eyes here and just like smoke out your lower lashes, or you can be a little bit extra, and what I'm going to do is to put this a little bit deeper is I'm going to be grabbing with my same Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to grab this color right here, which is a buff, which is a nice bronzy color. And I'm sorry if my camera's not focusing, but I'm going to just go ahead and apply this on the eyelid by just blending it into the lid. So I'm not necessarily just tapping it on, I'm just blending it in. You see how I darkened it compared to this one? And you don't have to put too much, just a little bit, and just blend it on the crease because you don't want to have like too many bald spots. For the lower lashes, I'm going to be using my Morphe M506 with the color Buff, and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm definitely going to be applying eyeliner, but I'm not going to be doing a wing. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using this NYX liquid eyeliner pencil, well, pen, in brown. So this is it brown or dark brown? This is chocolate brown actually, which is really, really dark. Looks almost black, but it's not black, so you can still tell the difference. And I'm just going to be outlining my eyelid area. Just like a line. I'm not, again, no wing. Just lining the water line right there. Well, I don't know how to explain it, but this line right here, what you guys are seeing right now. Because I need that to cover the lash band. Because we're definitely applying lashes on. Now I'm just going to dust off all the powder. In case you guys are wondering what brush this is the Morphe E52 brush. It's such a big brush, but I love it. I don't use it for anything else but to dust off my powder, unless I'm going to like apply powder on my skin like that, but most of the time I don't. Time for my favorite part, which is a bronzer. I'm going to be using the blush bar from Too Faced. Is it Too Faced? Yeah, it's Too Faced, right? Benefit. It's Benefit. Oh my god. Benefit. Bronzing the skin will definitely help to blend the freckles and make them look more realistic. So for blush and for my bronzer, I'm going to be using this blush bar from Benefit, which includes the Hoola bronzer and other beautiful blushes. And I'm going to be applying this with my Morphe M530 brush. I need a new one, you guys. This is their contour brush. But I'm going to be using the Hoola shade, and I'm going to bronze up my skin. Basically, wherever I would contour, that is where I'm bronzing. And I use two different colors for bronzer. Right now, I'm starting with the Hoola, but then I'm going to go ahead and use the color Bronze from the MAC Cosmetics. Another trick also that I learned, you guys, is that you grab your bronzer and you blend it like this. And it just kind of blends your eyeshadow, and it just bronzes up this area here that I really, really love that. What a difference does bronzer make. You guys can use the brush that comes with the Hoola bronzer, which I really like to really get in the cheekbones and create that line that some people like. But if you're not interested in doing a line, then you can skip this step. This is what the MAC bronzer looks like in case you guys haven't seen it before. And I'm just grabbing a little bit and just going over those areas because I kind of like the way it looks right now. But I usually do blend too. I don't know why I'm looking so extra bronzy today. I think it's the freckles. The freckles definitely add some color into your skin. To contour my nose, I'm using this little brush, which is the Morphe M505 brush. And I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my nose a little bit. Time for some blush. I think I'm going to use this one here, which is the coral one. What it's called? It's called California. So I'm going to be using California on the cheeks. I'm not a huge like blush girl, but I try. There you go. Time for some highlights. I'm going to be using the MAC highlighter in Show Gold, which I really like because it's kind of like a pinky white, goldy kind of highlighter. I really like this, and I'm going to be applying it with the Morphe M510 brush. Don't judge my nails, guys. I'm letting them grow so I can go get them done, but they're not there yet. But you guys see this highlight? Isn't it cute? Now if you guys wanted to, you guys can also apply this highlighter as an inner corner highlight for your eyeshadow, but I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I'm going to be using the, I can't seem to find the name on this, but I know it's a Morphe brush because it's like metal. So I'm going to grab this and apply some of that highlighter in the inner corner. And that way it kind of opens your eye just a little bit, because applying bronzer or any darkness into your eyes can make them appear a little bit smaller. Sorry that my eyebrows look so dark and so crazy right now. I actually ran out of my usual eyebrow pencil, so I had to use a different one, which is a little darker. But anyways, let's go ahead and finish this look. I'm going to be curling my lashes now and then applying some mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one, I'm not like in love with it. I'm just using it because somebody, I remember the old one that I had, somebody gave it to me, and then this one came with the little palette, little like gift set thing that I bought. But it's not my favorite, and the only reason why, it's because it flakes off into my skin, which I do not like. After I apply mascara, I like to do my hair. That way, like, the mascara kind of dries a little bit, and this is not done. This is just, you know, I'm letting my hair set, basically. But for lashes, I'm going to be using the Lily lashes in the style Miami, you guys. Well, I already put glue, so they're, like, drying right now. But I am obsessed with these lashes. I really need to buy a new pair, but I'm always like, 30 bucks for some lashes. But trust me when I say these lashes are beautiful. One of the lashes, which is this one that I'm going to put on right now, some of the lashes have already have like fallen, so I look really funny with like one lash not having that many lashes, versus this one is like bam, here I am. But you know what, I don't care, I'm still gonna put this on. So I'm using again the Lily lashes in the style Miami. I went ahead and I also applied some mascara on my lower lashes. Now for the lips, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner in the color Nude Beige. This is my favorite. I use this as like lip liner and lipstick, both. I just love it so much. So the first thing I do is I just go ahead and I line, but I fill at the same time, because this is my lipstick basically. After I apply that, I'm going to use my Morphe lip gloss. I'm usually not a lip gloss person, but I'm loving this lip gloss lately, which is in the color Faux, F-R-O-S-E. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my lips. It's really cute because it's like see-through-ish, but it has a little bit of like pink glitter, purple glitter. It's just so cute. But it's not like too extreme, the glitter. It's very, very light and fine. But it is so freaking cute. And then once like your lips kind of absorb the gloss, it looks really nice as well. I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below and let me know, would you guys wear this look? What is your summertime go-to look? Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Well, I don't really use Twitter, so just don't do Twitter, but you don't have to follow me if you don't want to. But trust me, you want to subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, if you guys are interested, look at this cute, it's like a whole dress thing. If you guys want to know what I'm wearing, go check out the haul that I did not that long ago. I'll also put it in the description box or in the iCards. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.